Alright, today I'm going to go over rational functions. So, a few rules about rational functions. Can't have variables as exponents. No absolute values. Same rules that we always talked about. One thing that we already went over that's important is how to find a domain. So, first example we have was 1 over x. In order for me to find my domain in this example, I'll take my denominator and set it equal to 0, which means x cannot equal 0. The way that we find our domain is the same way that we find our vertical asymptote. So my vertical asymptote in this example would be at 0. So vertical asymptotes are straight up and down. And this is gonna go right through my y-axis. So instead of using, well, that's not gonna work out. Instead of using a solid line, I'm gonna use a dashed line to represent my vertical asymptote. The degree is lower than my denominator, so my horizontal asymptote is also gonna be at 0. So the last thing that we do is graph out our rational functions to be able to figure out the rest of our graph. Take numbers to the left and right. And then plug them in and figure out where our graph is at. So if I plug in 1, if I create my table, got my X and Y chart. To the left and to the right, 1, 2, 3. We want 3 points on both sides. So I use 1, 2, 3. Can't use 0 because obviously we got asymptotes. So -1, -2, and -3. Then we just plug in our X values, find our Y values, plug in 1. 1 over 1 is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1. So the first point is going to be at 1, 1. If I plug the rest of these numbers in, which I think you all are really good at, you end up getting a graph. You end up getting a graph that is like this. Also, with your negative, if I plug in -1 into this, I get -1. So at 1, -1, got a point. This graph extends this way and also downwards.